This is my most epic creation to date, and it's probably going to change the way you think about keto and carnivore and taking back your health. I'm going to show you what it's all about today on Chris Cook in Nashville. I hope you guys are ready for this because this is the biggest, most epic thing I have created for you, and it's going to give you the tools to make 130 plus different dishes as a result of one thing. I have 4 chicken thighs, bone in, skin on, that have been sitting in the refrigerator with salt on them for several hours, just for a short dry brine. Now, if you don't like chicken, that's okay, because this I'm showing you is not just for chicken. It's going to be for all different kinds of meats, and that's why this is so important. I have a cold pan right here. There's no heat in this. I have a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to take my chicken thighs, skin side specifically, and press them very firmly into this Parmesan cheese. We don't need a thick coating, just enough that it's going to stick to it in a nice little layer like that, skin side down in this cold pan. Now, I know this is really strange, but follow along with me here for a second. I'm showing you the key to you being able to do all of those 130 plus things I'm talking about. All of our chicken has been coated on the skin side, no heat. I'm just going to set the Parmesan cheese aside. That's had raw chicken in it, but we're going to actually use some of it on top of these chicken thighs, so it's not going to go to waste. I'm going to go ahead and turn this pan onto a medium-high heat. We're letting the fat in the chicken skin actually start to render out. That's what's going to help that chicken start to cook and crisp. We're going to sear this on this side until we get nice, crispy, golden brown, crusty skins on that side. We'll season it, we'll flip it over, and I'll show you how we finish it. Let's go ahead and get the golden brown crust, and we'll talk a little bit more about how you're going to create 130 meals out of what I'm showing you right now. All right, these have developed a nice golden brown crust on that first side. Now we can flip them over. If you want to add some extra seasonings, this is the time you would do that. I'm going to throw just a little smoked paprika and some black pepper on these, but that is totally optional. I'm going to use just a little bit more of that Parmesan cheese just to sprinkle over each of the thighs. And I'm going to go ahead and deglaze the pan with about a cup of chicken broth. And now this is ready to go in a 375-degree oven, along with something else really special. Hang tight. Now, I know you're thinking, how am I going to take chicken thighs and turn it into 130 different dishes for you? Just wait and see. Along with the chicken now, I'm going to use the rest of this Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to make some little piles, about a tablespoon each, on a non-stick Silpat mat. You could use parchment paper, and these go in the same oven for 12 to 15 minutes, and I'll show you what those look like when they come out. So we're going to let those chicken thighs cook until they're 165 to 170 degrees internal temperature, and those Parmesan piles turn into crispy little Parmesan twirls. And I'll show you how we finish this recipe and put it all together. But more importantly, why is this something you can get 130 different meals out of? Let me show you. So here's what we're working on that's going to completely change the way you think about keto and carnivore cooking. Sorry, hang on a second. And that's it right there. It is Eat Your Meat, Love Your Life, my carnivore cookbook meant to crank your kitchen to 11. Don't go anywhere, because we are going to show you how to finish those chicken thighs, which are one of the recipes from my upcoming cookbook, which is available now for pre-order. I have all the links in the description box for you. You can order this places like Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Walmart, Books A Million. And if you're an international viewer and you can't find it in your country, there's even a link down there for you so you can get this wherever you are. This book is designed to progressively take you through getting better and more confident in your rock and roll carnivore kitchen. It has meal plans. It has so much information that goes beyond just the recipes. I've put a lot of passion into this, and I really want to share this with you guys. So please make sure you go pre-order now. Pre-orders are a big deal for a first-time author like me, so please pre-order. The release date is October 6th, and we are so excited. Please share with all of your friends in the keto and carnivore world that enjoy some low-carb recipes just like this one. Let's go ahead and check on those Air Guitar chicken thighs. I'll show you how we finish it with the Power Grid pan sauce, and we're going to look at the perfect pitch Parmesan twirls. 3 of over 130 recipes from my upcoming carnivore cookbook, Eat Your Meat, Love Your Life. Let's go ahead and pull them out of the oven. Now that our chicken thighs have come out of the oven, I'm going to use the drippings that are in the pan here to make the Power Grid pan sauce. So I'm going to bring this up to a simmer over a medium-high to high heat, and we're going to add about an equal amount of heavy cream as we have liquid in the pan. And we're just going to whisk this together. We're going to cook it down, reduce it by about half until it turns into a nice thick pan sauce we can serve with our chicken. And then I'll show you those Parmesan twirls that go along with it. This is the essence of eat your meat, love your life. This is how we take really amazing food and we break it down into very simple to follow steps so that you can have confidence in the kitchen, health in your everyday life, and more than anything, you can have rock and roll epic food every single day while sticking to your carnivore or keto diet, however it is you would like to use it. This book is going to completely transform your ability to cook low carb in the kitchen, and I cannot wait for you guys to check it out. Make sure to go down to the link in the description box, pre-order today, share it with everyone you know. Let's blow up the internet with this incredible carnivore cookbook that I have put so much time and passion into. Thank you guys so much for your support to get this here. I can't wait for you guys to see this releasing October 6th. Pre-orders are live now. Eat your meat, love your life, and I'll see you guys soon.